In this video, you can learn how to remove background from image in a few seconds, and it's free. No need to use any software. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to get updates when new videos are added to our channel. So let's get started. First, we need to go to this website remove.pg. Here we can upload or drag and drop image from our computer to remove the background. Or we can copy the image from the internet on our computer and paste it with Ctrl+V key in Windows or Command+V on Mac. Or we can copy the URL of the image from our website or any other website on the internet. I am using copyright-free Pexels website for my images in this video. First, let's upload the image from my computer and remove the background from it. You can see once I upload, it's processing and done. It has removed the background. This is the original and this is the background remove image in just a few seconds. We can download it on our computer and verify it. And you can see the background is completely removed without any other photo editing softwares and in such a short span of time. Next, we can see how to copy image from the internet and paste it here. Here on the image, we need to right click and copy the image and paste the image here. And done. The background is removed. We can download like in the first method and confirm the background removal from the image. And done successfully. Now we can copy the URL of the image and paste it here. And done. You can see the processing and the background removal. We can download the image and confirm the image in our computer. And done. All three methods of successful background removal. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.